Hi, this is attorney Michael Pariente of the Pariente Law Firm PC, John G. Watkins of counsel. I'm a criminal defense lawyer here in Las Vegas, and I've been practicing law for nearly 18 years. I'm talking to you from my conference room at the Howard Hughes Center, and I got a call from someone who had a question for me. This was someone I went to high school with and asked me this question. It's one of those, let me call my friend who's a lawyer and ask a lawyer question. So he asked me if President Trump has the authority to pardon anyone for any crime anywhere in the United States. And the answer to that is no. And my friend who called was specifically asking about President Trump pardoning former Sheriff Joe Arpaio in Arizona. So again, the answer to that question is no, because the United States and state governments are considered separate sovereigns. So let's say that Joe Arpaio committed a crime in Arizona and was prosecuted for, let's say he went shoplifting and he was prosecuted by the state government. That would be a state crime, and the federal government would have no jurisdiction. In other words, President Trump would have no ability to pardon him. Now, only the governor of Arizona could pardon him, again, because it's a state crime. Now, let's say that you go into a bank in Las Vegas and you rob that bank. Well, because the banks are insured by the federal government, by the FDIC, they come under federal jurisdiction. So you could be prosecuted in federal court, and would be. Additionally, you could also be prosecuted in state court for the same crime, for, let's say, in this case, robbing someone at gunpoint, for robbery with a deadly weapon or burglary. Those are state crimes, and you could be prosecuted for the same crime. Now, the question is, isn't that double jeopardy? The answer is no. Why? Because we're separate sovereigns. We're talking about the federal government and the state government. They're separate sovereigns. They can prosecute for federal crimes in the federal court, and we can prosecute at the state level here in Nevada for state crimes in state court. So they're federal and they're state, they're separate sovereigns. So if you have any questions about federal or state laws, or you're being prosecuted at the federal or state level, give us a call. If you're calling from out of state, we're happy to talk to you over the phone. If you're here in Las Vegas, come sit down and talk with us. We're more than happy to help.